Fun fasting facts. Ever wondered what happens when you skip that snack? Here are some fun facts about fasting and why it can be amazing for your body and mind. Fact 1. Your body goes into repair mode after about 12 hours of not eating. Your body starts cellular repair processes. It cleans up damaged cells like a little spring cleaning crew inside you. Fact 2. Brain boost. Fasting can actually help your brain. Studies show it promotes the growth of new neurons and may improve focus and clarity. Fact 3. Less insulin, more fat burning with lower insulin levels. Your body taps into stored fat for energy. Yep, fasting encourages your body to burn fat. Fact for ancient practice, modern benefits. Many cultures have been fasting for centuries. Today, people are rediscovering it for weight management, longevity, and even better digestion. Fact 5. Listen to your body. Everyone's different. Intermittent fasting works great for some, but not everyone. Hydration and balanced meals are still key. Consult a health professional before making big changes. Closing fasting isn't just about skipping meals, it's a mindful way to give your body a break and reset. Have you tried it? Let us know in the comments.